Hey guys, so today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting a new fender on my truck. Hopefully I can get it done in one day, but it might take two. This one you can see is dented and all messed up. I bought the truck like that and I now have a new fender for it. As you can see, I also have a new hood, and yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. The first thing we need to do to take the fender off is we need to take the hood off so we can get access to everything in here, and because the hood bolts to the fender, that will get in the way, so that's what we're going to do. So here we have the new fender. I bought the fender off Craigslist. It had a little bit of body damage to it, and we did some body work to it, primed it, painted it, clear coated, wet sand, buff it, and this is what we got. Install. Just move it. Here it comes.
We gotta get that.
We have a bunch of clips.
Are you sure you can do this? Are you sure you can do this without taking that bumper off?
I don't know, I said we might need to.
Because that little knot ain't gonna let us do it unless that comes off somehow. I'm taking up the fender edge so we don't chip the paint off when we put it back on.
While I am loosening the bumper so that we can get this little knot right here out, because it's stuck right now.
Clip.
You want me to hold the fender?
No.
So now what we're doing is we're stripping the fender. I actually have some parts from the other fenders that I took off, so I don't need to take like that off. That's a pain to get off because it's got these little clips right here you gotta push from in the inside. But now I'm just gonna grab my horn. I took a picture so I can make sure everything goes back in the right spot, and yeah, so this is what we're looking at. We now got the new fender prepped, got all the clips in, the foam piece, this little plastic piece, the horn, and everything, and we're getting ready to put it back on the truck, because this is not too appealing to drive around with. Right now Dad's getting the bolts in the door jammed. Go right there. Alright, so we had to take the fender off one more time, hopefully the last time, because we forgot to put these clips on. We went to put the bolts on in the door jambs, and here's another one. and the bolt wouldn't thread. It was just spinning and spinning because we didn't have any clips on with nuts on them or whatever they're called. So yeah, hopefully we can get it on this time without having to remove it. Trying to get the door jamb ones again. Now you're pulling it. Now we need to watch the door as we close it. Oh, it got close there, it looked like. Gap's kind of high up top.
I'm going to raise the fender a little bit and take care of that.
Alright.
So,
quick update. I have all the... Here, let me get some more light for you. I have all the inner fender bolts on. I actually forgot the little clips that go like right on the inside of this. What I did is I had to pry everything back, and you can see it's a little bent here on the inner fender well, but I don't really care. I had to pry all that back and push those in through these holes like this all the way around, and then I bolted everything down. I just got all the stuff on the front done right here and down in there right here. Alright, as you guys can see, I got the grill and headlights and side lights back in, and I have to say the fender is now looking good now that the truck's starting to look like something. Now we got to put the wheel on. Alright, so we got the intake on. Now we're ready to put the hood on, and after that we should be done. And before we put the hood on, my dad is buffing it again so we can get a deeper shine out of it. And I just redid my taillights. I wet sanded them and clear coated, and now they're drying, so see how those turn out. But that's what we're up to. Next thing to do is wash it. I still got to put these plastic trim pieces in. So I guess I can do that real quick. There's that one. And there we go. Now it is fully put back together. Alright guys, so I just got done washing the truck, and here's how it came out. I have to say the fender turned out amazing, and the hood just looks great. As you can tell, it's raining, but I'm just super happy with how everything turned out. Everything just looks great, as you can see. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, maybe subscribe if you're new, and if you want, please leave a comment.